Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Tip for Tuesday, so I have another quick, easy, fun tip for you for Halloween. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and Halloween, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You'll find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so let's say you have to go to like a potluck or something, and this applies for any holiday, not just Halloween. But you want to be festive, you want it to kind of be homemade, but you don't have a lot of time and you don't have a lot of money. One of the simplest things you can do is get a can of pie filling, or you can make it yourself, and a store-bought, that's what I use because I am no good at making these, pie crust. Or you can make your own again, but I am not very good at it. And use some cookie cutters, and basically you just cut out some shapes and turn your pie into something that's really festive. So, and another thing that I like about doing it this way is, this is your bonus tip for the day. Say you have like a fruit pie and it's going to call for a two crust, a double crust for a pie, and you really only have one, or you only have enough ingredients to make one. What you can do is roll out your pie crust, I can't talk today, really, really thin like I did here, and then use the leftover scraps for your cutouts. So I have a moon, and I have 3 little bats here, so that's what I'm going to use. And we are going to place those on the top of our pie. I actually can probably get another bat out of here if I roll it out even thinner. I don't know, that bat's pretty thin though. We'll see. So while I was digging through my cookie cutters, I found this one. And for the life of me, I do not know what shape this is. I have turned this every direction. And I thought maybe it was an angel, then I thought it was a ghost. I don't know. Can you guys figure out what it is? So I have no idea. The closest I can think of is maybe an angel that's holding a candle. I don't know. You guys have to let me know what you think. Anyway, back to the pie. Okay, so like I said, I rolled this out as thin as I possibly could, and then I've got my pie filling here. Now, I did make my pie filling. But like I said, you know, if you're short on time, just buy a can of it. And I might have a little too much here. But I will post my recipe for this pie, my apple pie, down in the description below. All right, and then once we've got all of our pie filling in our pie, I'm just going to spread it out. I might have a little much here, but I could not leave an apple in the bowl by itself. He was going to be lonely, so he had to go in the pie too. So we have like one more apple than what was needed for this. We're going to try to squish them down. And if you see some that have a little bit of apple skin still on them, I don't know where my head was for like half of the apple that I chopped, but I was chopping it with the skin on there, but there's one right there. I don't think little apple skin ever killed anybody, so we're just going to pretend it didn't happen. Okay, so I'm going to put my little moon up here, and then our little bats. So I probably could get another bat out of there, but I don't know. The moon kind of looks like a bat. Turned sideways, doesn't it? Maybe I should just do bats on here. Let's just do bats. Let's roll out another one of these on the counter here. I was going to say, that wouldn't look right anyway. The bats were bigger than the moon. Well, I guess they do look bigger than the moon when they're close to you, don't they? Yeah. Okay, so one more bat. We'll put him right up here. See? How cute is that, right? So, this I am actually going to put in the freezer and give to my daughter so she can bake it off next weekend for Halloween. Because last week I made the Dexter cupcakes that were, the shattered glass with the blood, and I said I was going to give those to her for her party, and I turned them into cake pops and I ate them. So this is going to go off to the freezer, but I made one of these earlier, and look at that. I don't think, it doesn't either look like angel wings or Batman cape or something. That doesn't really look as good as that does. So I suggest doing the cutouts and putting those on versus leaving the cutout shape in the pie. Anyway, I think it's a fun tip. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Use it for the holidays. We've got Thanksgiving and Christmas coming up. So lots of opportunities you can put this to use. And I thank you all so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.